Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your MacBook Pro M5. Before you perform this operation, I highly recommend backing up all your data because the factory reset operation will erase all of that. And if you'd like to know how to create a backup for your device using external SSD storage, check out the other video on our channel that is titled How to Create Backup Using Time Machine on this particular laptop. And then if you want to perform factory reset operation, you have two options of how to do it. So if you have access to your system, you can perform factory reset operation by going to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen, then opening the system settings, and then we're gonna have to go to General, and at the bottom of the General settings we'll find Transfer or Reset option. So select it, then select Erase all content and settings and enter your password to confirm. Then your device will proceed with performing a factory reset operation, but there is also a second option of how we can perform it, especially if you don't have access to your system. In such case, we can perform factory reset operation through the recovery mode. And to do that, first of all, shut down your laptop and then turn it off by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. It seems to me that my laptop isn't shut down yet, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so hold down power button. You'll see continue holding for startup options. And once you see the sign changing with loading startup options, you can release the power button. And after that, we're gonna have to go to options. So select options, then continue. Then wait until the options appear on your screen. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna have to select our account and then click next and enter your password. If you forgot your laptop's password, then select forgot all password and proceed with these instructions beneath. Then you're gonna have to select reinstall macOS Tahoe in order to perform a factory reset operation. So select this option and then click continue. And then we're gonna have to proceed with the following instructions. Make sure that your device is either charged by at least a half of battery capacity, or if it's not, then make sure to plug in the charging cable into your device, because we don't want the device to suddenly shut down during this operation. So click I agree, then confirm by clicking agree again, select your internal SSD and then click continue. So yeah, right now it's what I told you about. So your computer is not connected to the power source. So as I said, either make sure that your device has at least half is at least charged by half of your battery capacity, or just connect a power source, connected to a power source. Then click continue. Once again, enter the password to your account and press enter. And then wait until the macOS is reinstalled on your laptop, or click cancel whenever you are ready to. And that's pretty much it. After this operation is finished, the factory reset operation will be performed. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.